Imagine a world where everyone spoke the same language and humans thought they could reach the heavens themselves. What could possibly go wrong? After the Great Flood, humans spread across the earth, building small villages and working together in harmony. Everyone spoke the same language, so ideas and plans traveled quickly from person to person. Then the leaders had a grand idea. Let's build a tower that reaches the sky. People cheered and began gathering bricks, wood, and stone. It's taller than anything ever built. Everyone will know our greatness. Day and night, the tower grew taller. Workers climbed scaffolds, shaped bricks, and stacked stones. Pride filled every heart. But as the tower grew higher, so did the pride of the people. They thought they could become as great as God. God looked down and saw their pride. He knew their ambition could lead to trouble if left unchecked. Suddenly, people could no longer understand each other. Chaos broke out. Builders argued, instructions were lost, and bricks began to fall from the tower. Past the "What? I don't understand you." Chaos spread through the city. The proud tower stopped growing, and people could not work together anymore. Families left the unfinished tower, traveling to distant lands in search of new homes. Different languages spread across the earth, and new nations began to form. Each community started anew, learning to cooperate within smaller groups. The abandoned tower stood as a reminder of pride and disunity. Yet the people learned to live humbly and help one another in their new homes. Children played together, sharing and learning new languages from each other. Adults worked side by side, teaching skills and trading goods peacefully. The Tower of Babel reminds us, pride can divide, but humility can unite. Working together is stronger than chasing glory alone. Have you ever tried to do something without listening to others? How can we work together instead of against each other? The tower may have been abandoned, but the lesson remains for all generations. Humility and cooperation always triumph over pride.